welcome to my channel Blush with Bloom. So in this video I am going to share easy glitter eye look with bold red lips, and you can carry this look at any function. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Okay, so here I am using this sticky tape exactly at the corner of my eyes where I want my eyeshadow to stop, and this is very easy and useful trick to get clean look, or if you are not very good in applying eyeshadow. Okay, now I am applying my favorite concealer on my eyes, and I will blend it with blender. And remember that your blender should be wet while using it. Here I am applying setting powder to set my concealer. Now let's start with an eyeshadow. So first I am taking this brown shade of eyeshadow and placing it from middle to the outer view of my eye, like this. And now I am using this lighter shade than previous one on my crease for that beautiful ombre effect. And now I am doing same with my other eye. By using this angle brush, I am taking this black shade and applying at the corner of my eye to add depth to my eyeshadow. Okay, and now a nude shade, and I am applying it from inner corner to middle eyelid. And it's time for glitters. So here I am using this Wet n Wild color icon eyeshadow, and the shade is Toasty. Here I am placing it from inner corner to middle part of my eye. Time to remove sticky tapes, and here I am using this same brown shade and applying it on my lower lash line to make my eyes look more beautiful. Here I am using 2 to 3 coats of mascara to make my lashes more bigger and beautiful. And now I am doing my eyebrows to complete the eye look. And it's time for base makeup. So guys, my base makeup is done, and finally this beautiful red lipstick from NYB, and my shade in this is Cranky Yankee. All product links are in description box, you can check it there.
So guys, here is the final look. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And my Instagram handle is given below. You can follow me there for more updates. I will see you in the next video.